Hi, my name is Tony Ling, a former managing director with Silver Lake Partners, a leading technology investment firm. If you look at any of the major technology trends, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, self-driving vehicles, the one thing they all have in common is that they are creating and utilizing increasing massive amounts of data. And data, of course, requires storage. So as these new front-end technologies evolve, behind the scenes, storage has to continue to evolve to keep pace also. Now, a lot of folks know about the ongoing shift in enterprise storage from hard disk drives to solid-state drives because of the data access speed benefits of SSDs. But what most folks don't know is that the traditional architecture for storage systems connecting all of these drives has now become a bottleneck that needs to be solved. For this reason, I'm very excited to present Graid Technology, a company which is solving this exact problem. Leander Yu, CEO of Graid Technology, and his team are proven serial entrepreneurs, and it's been a privilege for SparkLabs to partner with them as they address this large and growing market. With that, I'm happy to present the co-founder and CEO of Graid Technology, Leander Yu.
Hi everyone, my name is Leander Yu, founder and CEO of Graid Technology. Graid Technology brings you the fastest RAID card in the world to protect SSD from failing. For enterprise, storage is the most important foundation for IT infrastructure. To ensure the data security and business continuity, a data protection mechanism like RAID or software-defined storage must be implemented to prevent anything from failing. Over the past decade, we see SSD is replacing hard disks and become the major storage media for enterprise. Intel even predicts that per terabyte cost of SSD will be lower than hard disk in next year. As for now, SSD already surpassed hard disk in terms of its worldwide shipment and revenue. Before I started this company, I was the founder and CEO of BigTerra, working on software-defined storage for data center and enterprise. Later on, we were acquired by an SSD controller company, so our deep experience in this space means we know how SSD will bring challenges to software-defined storage and the RAID technology than anyone else. And that's why I started Graid Technology. The challenge is, when people start to use SSD to replace hard disks, they are hoping its performance can unlock the bottleneck of those data-intensive applications like 5G, AI, and IoT. After all, a single SSD can deliver up to 10,000 times performance compared with hard disk. So that means your application can run 10,000 times faster, right? Unfortunately, no. In fact, you will only get 10% of the performance out of SSD because of the bottleneck introduced by RAID or software-defined storage. Why is that? It's simply because they don't have enough computing power and the bandwidth to process all the data coming from SSD. Therefore, they have become the biggest bottleneck for IT infrastructure. Now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing Supreme RAID, the world's first NVMe over Fabric RAID card that can deliver 100% of your SSD performance. How does it work? With our unique software plus hardware architecture, by using the computing power of an AI chip and our patent-pending technology to do data protection out of bed, we will be able to deliver up to 6 million I/O per second and 100 gigabyte per second throughput. That's up to 40 times compared with the existing market leader. Wait, you might be thinking, up to 40 times? Are you serious? Yes, that's the performance benchmark from our customers. Even better, with NVMe over Fabric support, we will be able to save the cost up to 80% off for the data center customers. Wow, that's amazing, right? Since our launch on July 1st, we got customers sign in like Gigabyte, AIC, top 5 banking customers, or even software-defined storage vendors like StarWind. We also got endorsement from our ecosystem partners like QNAP, Seagate, and AMD. Our customers love us. They even published a white paper in their website showing how can we make their server 10 times faster or how can we reveal 100% of their SSD performance? RAID is a must-have component for every enterprise. The market size alone will be $5 billion this year and double its size in 2026. Our customers, data center and enterprise, typically they will purchase our solution from system integrators and server makers. And that's why we are working very closely with system integrators and server makers to penetrate the market. They will introduce more customers, and customers were asking server makers to include our solution. That means more SI and more customers, so on and so forth. We anticipate $3 million revenue this year and grow up to $10 million next year. Our goal is to acquire 20% of the market share and become a $1 billion revenue company within 6 years. Our core team member has been in storage industry for more than 15 years and with successful startup experience. Two sales leads in US has more than 30 years experience in OEM business and data center business. They are working very closely with our tier 1 customer in US and expand our business worldwide. We are backed by Gigabyte, SparkLabs Taipei, Proware, Capital 10, and Paragon Investment. Great product, great team, great market with huge potential. We are looking for all kinds of resources to speed up the business, and we are fundraising now. Ladies and gentlemen, Graid Technology, bring you the best data protection without compromise. I'm Lian Yo. Welcome to join us. Thank you.